unconventional, I call it. I'll keep it since I'm...
Quit messing with my tree.
I know.
I look up and all the limbs are gone off that side on the top, but everything above me is gone.
They're in my way.
I don't
Clearly, look, this one wouldn't even go.
I like it. I like it. Too late. It's like on Hacksmen when you're stealing my glory. You just stole my glory. Those were the two cuts that were gonna make it. So I need slack before I can do anything else.
I'm gonna send another thing. You don't need to tighten it clear to China neither. It's little stuff. What was that, Damien?
Breaking something off so I could get a good camera view of you.
Damien, you know how I don't like large cracking sounds when I'm up in a tree.
It was the bass.
Yeah, it was the roots, man.
I think I just heard a root pop. Is my camera flashing?
No.
Okay, I just turned it off.
No, we're gonna talk about that.
I got you.
Is the wind gonna allow this? I have to throw it really hard.
Good, yeah. And then you can't do like a, because it just goes, you know,
yeah.
Like you'll just compress them. You guys are gonna want to watch August Honecke's YouTube video of this. We're about to do dual tops down the speed line.
I'm actually gonna zip a few more little ones, just so that it's easier to hold on to. More, it doesn't have weight.
Yeah.
In one direction or another. You know, you ever cut those little tops and just hold them there for a second while you
put your saw away for a second.
Yeah, yeah.
I know, I'm like, I don't really want to take too much off the back either and have to fight it. You know, mine's like it's definitely weighted out there, but it's a little more balanced than if I start taking weight off the back.
Mine's back weighted a little bit, which is okay, I think.
Yeah, like I'm in a pretty good place to do what you want to do. No saw needed.
Pull my rope tight a little bit. I'm gonna zip too.
You and your DRT stub. I don't like it.
You know?
I like this better.
And then of course, we're hooking them up reverse.
Yeah.
So if you're watching YouTube, I don't know if my camera's on, but when you're doing tops, it's good to have two beaners on it. And you hook it up one beaner one way and one the other. Things happen even with locking carabiners. There is ways that the rope actuates the gate open and it'll come off. So it's just a little safety. So what we're gonna try to do is I'm gonna make this back cut and then try to balance it here and hold it while I put my saw away. And if you do the same thing,
we'll say 3, 2,
yeah,
1,
and then shove.
Go! You want these as tight as they can get them?
No?
Didn't think so. Yeah, they don't need to be crazy tight.
Just normal. We're gonna drop them about a foot. So that'll give us some of this
fun.
It'll be some cushion too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But they're not really any longer than any of these branches we've done.
No. And one of the beauties of side loading the rope a little bit is it kind of eases in the tension.
Yeah.
We're not going to be able to really though because we got slack first, but
get ready to be happy, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, you ready?
Okay, now I got it. Okay. Cripple them up!
Amazing how the lottery of time has brought me to a day where I'm sick, and it's the biggest tree of the year. I've had a hard time sleeping with respiratory stuff. And of course a new baby at home. But there's something almost romantic about the endurance of one foot in front of the other. Even when it feels where you just want to pull the blankets over your head and give up. When you don't, and you go one foot in front of the other and show up, there's something romantic about that. It's like a storybook. There's something inspirational about it. I've noticed in the past when times were really hard, when I was commercial fishing up in Alaska, you know, way below zero with the wind blowing, and just literally boats were sinking, people were dying, and the level of almost giving up was reaching pretty high. And I remember not giving up and being very aggressively going from task to task on deck to stay warm. There was no shuffling from here to there to stay warm. It just wouldn't work. So the only answer to the intensity, the extremeness of the situation was to be more extreme than the situation. Was, I mean, that sounds like patting yourself on the back, you know, like you're being too storybook hero, but no, you couldn't actually be more extreme than an 80 below chill factor. And a gnarly Alaska coast. No, but you could use all the tools in your toolkit, work hard, keep your heart pumping and your blood pumping, and do your best, and you could survive. And that's what I did. This isn't like that. Like, I get to go home at night and sleep. I get to see my family every day. I get to say no if I want. I'm not being controlled by some Captain Bligh that doesn't care about me. But it still seems a bit challenging, the grind. So I'm not in my 20s, I'm in my 50s. And all the moving parts are a little creaky, and all the little injuries are adding up. So endurance is what that's the romantic goal to reach for, is endurance. I like that movie, Saving Private Ryan, when at the end of the movie, the leader of the mission, he's given everything. He's shot, he's laying there, he's dying. All he has is his 45, and he's shooting one shot at a time, laboriously raising his arm to fire, laying there wounded at a tank that's approaching, and he's just gonna go all the way to the end, all the way to the end of his life. And not even for himself, but for the mission. There's something I like about that. The resolve. The resolve of work. The resolve of care. You have responsibilities. You have people relying on you. And your most reasonable effort is whatever it takes. Oh man, come on.
Company, always on the run. Destiny is a rising sun. Oh, I was born, 6 gun in my hand. Behind a gun, I make my final stand. Hey, that's why they call me bad company, and I can't deny. Bad company till the day I die. Rebel souls, deserters we are called. Chose a gun and threw away the sword. Now these towns, they all know our name. 6 gun sound is our claim to fame. I can hear them say, bad company, and I won't deny. Bad company till the day I die.
That was awesome. This is a lot of rain.
This is the worst day in tree work history.
Yeah.
I think it's clear. Yeah, it's clear.
I overheard it. Oh, okay. But I don't know if it's that hard. Yeah. A little bit of a process. We had to do some shaving to make it work, but it's working. It's nice that's finally done with.
Yeah.
Jeez. Literally, a longer bar would have solved all that time.
All the issues.
I use that little handhold there. Ugh. Oh. About blew my shoulder out doing that. It's taller than it looked when we were up there. You just want to use a different... Oh, does it need gas? Got it! Yeah! Easy!
Just get right out.
Easy money right there.
Hold it. You're just about to clear the gutter. Yep, go right. Can you see it yet? This here's dump.
That's weird. I've never seen this part of tree work before. What are you doing, Evan?
Just growing a new house. I'm putting on a fourth bedroom.
They're
right
in their
now.
room and they're like, what is that noise on the wall and the window? It needed it.
Yeah, it was from this roof.
Yeah, I noticed.